Appeal court in Abuja will on May 18th hear an appeal seeking immediate swearing-in of Atiku Abubakar as president and nullification of 2019 election that produced President Muhammadu Buhari. Duplication of legal representation on Wednesday stalled hearing in the appeal challenging educational qualification of President Buhari at the last general election. A group, Incorporated Trustees of Civil Society Observatory for Constitutional and Legal Compliance, instituted the appeal. Trustee V's Shafi'u Suleiman reports that the appellate court is compelled to adjourn hearing to allow two contending counsels sort out the issue.
Joining the matter are the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), All Progressives Congress (APC) and President Muhammadu Buhari. The Incorporated Trustees of the Civil Society Observatory for Constitutional and Legal Compliance approached the appellate court to review judgment passed in favor of the respondents at the lower court.
We are challenging the proper nomination of President Buhari, but on different grounds from those that have already been determined by the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court. I think I need to make that clear. These are on different grounds, but it's still a challenge to his qualification.
The issues in this appeal has been decided in the case of Ahmadu Abubakar Atiku against INEC, and my Lord, the Chief Justice of Nigeria stated clearly that President Muhammadu Buhari is eminently qualified. So that's what we filed in our appeal, that we don't even know what we are doing here, because the Supreme Court, both this court, the Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court has stated clearly that President Muhammadu Buhari is eminently qualified. So really what is happening here is really an academic exercise, because the court cannot go back and then reverse what it has decided.
At the resumed hearing of the matter before Justice Amani Haruna, a new counsel Oluwale Afolabi announced appearance for the second and third respondents, APC and President Muhammadu Buhari, as against the usual counsel Amedu Francis, necessitating the need to seek an adjournment to allow for further clarifications.
Different law firms filed processes for the third respondent, that's President Buhari, and all claiming to have been duly briefed by the president to represent them.
We have a letter expressly instructing us to represent the two respondents, the second and the third respondents, and that is what we have done.
We represented the third respondent at the trial court. When this appeal was entered at the Court of Appeal, we also represented the third respondent. But my learned friend this morning, we discussed, and he showed me a letter of instruction from the All Progressive Congress. The third respondent is a named party, the second respondent is a named party. They are not the same thing. But however, it's something that can be sorted out amongst ourselves.
The appellate court granted the request to allow the resolution of the dispute and asked the parties to return for hearing on the 18th of May 2022. The applicants are challenging the educational qualifications of the incumbent President Muhammadu Buhari in the appeal, which the APC and INEC are joined as first and second respondents. Shafi'u Suleiman, Trust TV News, Abuja.